Hey, I'm about to shoot this shit overnight, nigga.
To the beat, man. Made sure the pack touchdown. Yeah, I'm chilling now. Getting to the bag, man. You know, I'm a bag chaser. Wherever the money is, I gotta be there. Yeah.
Niggas playing and shit, man. I'm trying to get this shit over here. Y'all keep playing and shit, man. And I'm up here. Man. I'm low key, man. I'm trying to be. Alright. What you talking about? You hear me? Yeah, you can hear me. Just had to make sure, bitch. Get to the track, get my money, get my paper scratch. I don't play no games, bitch. Talking slick, get smacked. Rick James, bitch, I make a beat. Do what it do, I make a bitch. Do what it do, think I'm the truth. I don't play no games with that bloody bitch. It in the pot, scrape. Trying to get my money round clock. I don't give a fuck, I got a 9 to 5, getting dope. And I got a 9 to 5, bitch. Yeah, pimping hoes, what you thought? Rizzy. Got it. Money, huh? What's up with you? Come on, you good? Come on. Okay.
Cold Creek Cook. I own them.
I smell it.
Oh yeah. Hey, what do you think?
I got the bus from Cleveland, man. I'm shooting this video.
Oh, you was in Cleveland?
Yeah.
Oh man, I love Cleveland, especially where that college right off of downtown.
You talking about right there? I'm getting you together, my nigga.
Oh my God, man, you look good too, boy.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, you do.
I was young niggas saying crackhead, smoke crack for that dollar. Laid out on the motherfucking ceiling, nigga. I ain't know what it was. They was sipping. Motherfucking dog, nigga. Cream. See me shooting up on the street, niggas getting crackheads with their hands in the motherfucking mouth. I don't give a fuck, bitch. Y'all rude. Just trying to get to the money. Every day I'm grinding. Cause it's time. And I'm on another level. And I tell man, kids, put the crack on the level. I'm in the pit to get money, nigga. Kids pay, nigga. What you saying?
Damn, this nigga keep calling me. Yeah, man. Yo, what's up, though? Well, I mean, shit, it can go like that, or it can go like this, bro. Like, I'm almost done, bro. I got one more drop, bro. I'll be done, bro. I'm trying to level up, man. I'm in the music game, bro. That's what I'm trying to do right now, bro. Like, I'm done with this shit, bro. I'm done. One more flip, and it's over with, bro. This new tape I'm about to drop, bro. Money, Motion, and Music. It's gonna be the shit, bro. I'm trying to tell you, man. You might want to invest in me, bro. You might want to invest in me, bro. You know what I'm saying? But hey, man, give me about a week, man. I'll have that money to you. I'm done, bro.
I mean, shit, bro, you know how it is, man. This game good, but I need another game that I can take over. You know what I'm saying? Hey, that rap game is where it's at, my nigga. Yeah. I'm in the kitchen right now, my baby. I'm gonna holler at you in 1 minute. Just give me like 30, 40 minutes, man. I'll be on my way over there. And then I'll go to the studio later on, man. I gotta get this tape out, bro. I gotta get this tape out, bro. Enough playing, bro. I've been playing around too much, bro. Yeah. Okay. Well, let me know.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that bitch looking real good.
Oh yeah, we on, baby. That shit locked up real good. Let's go. Score. This nigga ain't answering the motherfucking phone, man. Like, I ain't gonna do a motherfucking house call on his ass. Try this bitch one more time. What the fuck? Hold on, one more time. You can't hit shit. I just called this shit. I just called this nigga, man. What the fuck? I ain't gonna make a house call on his ass.
You see me? I try to catch a cut. You see me?
I can't, man. After this drop, I'm done. Oh yeah, he told me about to go in. Slipping, man. Nigga never answer the phone, man. Now his phone off. He getting paid money. I don't know how the fuck his phone off. Damn, who was these niggas just hit the block? Stay low. Oh yeah. Get up in there, nigga probably sleep, drunk. Can't let him fuck up my money, man. Alright. Stay low with these niggas. Okay. Alright, I'm about to get up. Oh yeah, they open. Damn, man, this nigga playing this shit. Shit, this nigga got me in my projects. Fuck. Man, what's up, G? You alright?
Yeah.
What's good, my nigga?
What's good? Hey, man.
What's up?
Got that weed, bro.
You got the weed?
Yeah, bro.
What that shit look like?
Yeah. Sorry.
That shit look like, man. I'm waiting on this motherfucker, my motherfucker ride right now.
Yeah.
Let me see. What's this? Zittles?
Mm-hmm.
Man, that nigga got you out here holding the block down, huh?
Yeah.
What that nigga at? Sleep or something?
Think so. The nigga had a hole over at his house last night.
He did?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm done with this shit after this, bro. This my last drop. After this drop, man, call it a wrap, bro. I can't do it no more.
Hey, life is too short to be playing games.
Yeah, man, I'm about to transition into something else, man. Do something else, dog. This shit don't make no sense. You alright, though?
Trying to come up with $10 or $5.
They got you holding the block down, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm about to go get the bag for you, dog. You know what I'm saying? He didn't tell you I was coming through?
Nope.
See that nigga playing, man. I'm gonna get them bricks, son. I got you. Got you. All right, my nigga.
Yep.
All right. Yo, right here, my nigga.
What's up, big dog?
Yeah, what's the deal? Y'all boys good?
That's it right there.
Mojo. Oh, there your ass go, man. I was looking for your ass for a minute, man.
What up, big dog?
You all right?
How you been?
Shit, I can't call it, man. You know.
I dig it, man. You got shit straight?
Yeah, hell yeah. That's some things right there.
Word. What
Hell
you been
yeah.
up to?
Laying back, man. Really, this is my last drop for y'all niggas, man.
Huh?
Hell yeah, man. I'm about to do that rap shit.
Let's get lost.
Yeah, I'm about to do that rap shit,
What you
man.
mean the rap shit?
Shit,
This shit
man.
ain't wrapping you up good?
I mean, it is, but you know, I gotta find something else to take over, something else bigger, you know what I'm saying?
What you mean bigger? You bigger than life, my nigga.
Man, I
Fuck
know,
you
man.
mean?
But right now, though, nigga, I'm just really just trying to, you feel me?
So you saying you don't want to fuck with the crew no more, right? You ready to just...
Man, I ain't falling, I'm gonna fall completely on that, though, because I'm
But
trying
I'm
to.
saying if I
I'm
need you to bang bang and bang bang, where you at? You in
man.
the studio?
Yeah, I'm at the studio, man.
You ain't dropping off these no more?
I can't, man.
So what am I supposed to do?
Man, shit, you got Roger and shit, man. That nigga, you know what I'm
fuck
saying?
Roger, yo. Roger don't pull the paper in like you.
Yeah, you right.
You hear me?
You right.
So where I'm left standing? We started this shit together, bruh. Now you
Yeah.
talking about some fucking music?
Yeah, man, I
Talking
got
some fucking music?
I gotta do something better, yeah. I gotta do something different.
Listen, I'm all for it.
Yeah.
So what you saying? Are you alone?
No, this
Stay
my
the fuck away from me.
Nah,
That's your last
nah.
drop. You just said it's your last.
Mojo, you know you my baby,
You
Mojo.
just said it's your last drop.
Yeah, that's my last one right there. That's the last
Big
one,
homie
man.
say something.
What's up?
Yeah, you see it, man. That's fucked up. Now you doing that to the crew, bro. You can't do that, nigga. You bringing in money too, man.
You know what I'm saying, bro? You can't hold a motherfucker hostage, my dude.
Exactly.
Yeah. Hey, man. Well, shit. Hey,
Much love this way. You brought in plenty of bread,
I
my
appreciate
dude.
it. I
Just
appreciate
dropped off 4.
Hey, I appreciate it.
Just dropped off 4.
Thanks for respecting that, man.
Just to
Thank you.
goddamn, still mine.
Hey, it's all love, baby. It's
Still
all
my
love.
baby.
Hey, and
You heard?
the shit still gonna flow like water for y'all.
True.
100, man.
Bet.
All right, now. Call this nigga, man. Yeah, hello? This shit fucking up, man. Yeah, what's good? Shit, bro. I just dropped off the last 4 bricks to Mojo and them, man. Everything, man. He should be hitting you up soon with that money. So, yeah, man, we all good, bro. You know how I go. You gotta live a little, you know what I'm saying? I'll be there though, man. Just, you know what I'm saying? It's still gonna flow like water for you. I swear, you ain't gotta worry about nothing. I'm gone. Yeah, I'm gone, man. Yeah. Money, motion, and music, that's what it is. I told you need to invest in me. You bullshitting, dog. I'll holler at you, though, man. I appreciate you. All right, now.
Fuck you looking mad at me for all the time and shit. Fuck you mean I'm a dumbass nigga? Shit. How the fuck we gonna goddamn roll with us, then start fucking with them other niggas, and then gonna try to throw the work back?
But that's your nigga though.
Okay, but bring the money back. How you gonna bring the work back?
See, if he can't sell the work, what you supposed to do?
Yo, listen, slow down. Listen to me. Slow down. Me and this nigga put this shit together, you hear me? All of a sudden, out of the clear blue sky, standing right here. I don't want to fuck with y'all no more. In so little words, but that's what he said. Fuck y'all, he gonna get shit. I'm finna sing
This shit ain't
and
for
dance
everybody.
like Michael Jackson and shit.
Don't nobody want to be in the game all day like what y'all dumbasses. Shit, you
Oh,
want somebody's
I'm
life.
dumb as shit.
You want to do
Listen,
something with yourself.
slow down.
Slow down.
Slow down. You walking too fast, you ain't hearing me. Listen, he can't come over here with that bullshit like we ain't grew up together from the sandbox. We bumped and everything together. Now all of a sudden he like, fuck me. Here go your shit. I wanna sing. I wanna rap.
He want an opportunity. This shit ain't giving nobody no opportunity besides the grave or jail.
Man, everybody want an opportunity.
Let him be him. You can't fuck with everybody.
But how the fuck though? We was together from day one. This is my man. You don't even know what the fuck I'm talking about. You know him because he fuck with me.
Okay.